All right, got a motor on this bad boy finally. Penn State motor. Everything's mocked up, ready to rock and roll. Belt driven, of course, as you can see. The motor is a DC motor, but the controller is up out of the way, so you can build a cabinet around it or whatever you have to do to keep it from collecting dust or whatever, metal flakes or shavings, whatever. And you can see I got the cable. It's about, I think the cable's about 6 feet long, so you can get it quite a ways away from it. But anywho, variable speed, that's going to be low all the way to high there. And then I also have it set up, the motor does not come from Penn State with it's not reversible, but you can go in and put a toggle switch. So I've got an on, off, on it. So basically that would be down towards my feet, and that's going to be up and away. So you can just turn it on, leave it on, or you can, whatever. Anyway, long story short, we're on low. Let's turn this bad boy on. We'll start with going down by my feet. All right, so that's about, it's going to be somewhere around 1400 RPM, something like that. And then, of course, when you want to switch or whatever, you just go from there to off. So there's full, or that's down, and it's towards me. There's up and away. You can see the belt did not move. There is up and away from me. Set this belt out. And back towards me. The belts do not move. Whether it's going forward, reverse, everything is absolutely in line, 100%. I don't have any flattens on this thing yet, of course. So there's still some more work to do, and I'm going to make some for safety covers and all that kind of good crap. But this is the main portion of it. So anyway, so that's like 1300. We're going up to about 3500. About 3500 right there. No harmonics, no vibration. I had questions on whether this stainless all-thread, half 13 all-thread is going to hold up or not. Dude, it doesn't have any real load on it. The belt is going to put a little bit of load on it, you know, as it pulls against the motor, wanting to pull it. But literally, that thing has very little pressure on it, just enough to keep that belt, keep traction on that belt. But anywho, I already showed you guys the adjusters on this thing. That's going to be your, if you do have to do a belt adjustment, you can just move that bad boy there and get it right where you need it. But I'll get flattens on it next and get some safety covers on here and get it all finished up. But that's going to give you an idea right there, guys. I took those goofy deals that I had on there, the pull springs, and went to a compression spring, and to change if you want to take the belt off, you just reach right here, one hand, thumb here, and this here. This is your belt release on both sides. You just reach up there with your hand. It doesn't have a whole lot of pressure on it, but you get the idea. So up, down. Let's cut this off a little bit. I did do a little adjustment on that one, didn't I? See if it stays in place. Yeah, once you get it adjusted just right, I'm going the wrong damn way. There it is right there. See if it'll stay in the middle there. And I go, yep, up there. Try to jump a little bit, but it stayed there. Anyway, so anywhere from about 1400, something like that, I think's the bottom end, all the way up to 4000. Got these little magnet deals set up here where it'll catch anything that's kind of thrown up there in a way. It helps a little bit. And then as far as the height of it, I like it kind of about where it's at, but if you want to bring it up, my toolbox itself actually has a let's see if I can hold this at the same time. And you can bring this thing up as much as 12 inches and get it all up in your face if that's what you want to do. So you're adjustable there, height wise, and this thing is just perfect for me to lay my blade across it, and I'm going to be able to see my bird coming up. I'm going to do lights on top of it in the whole 9 yards. Anyway, this video is getting way long. That ought to give you an idea of what we got going on here anyway. Getting there. Yep, 5-minute video. This is going to YouTube. All right, guys. Got any questions?